How to create bill in Microsoft Excel. It's very easy. Today we'll learn how to create bill in Microsoft Excel. Hello, welcome to in my YouTube channel. It's me Dipesh Rai. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any kinds of comments, please give me feedback in the comment sections below. So without any late, let's begin our tutorials. First of all, you have to merge like this. Okay, you have to merge and just click in merge in center. Again, you have to merge another row and just click in the merge in center, and another row also you have to click merge in center, and just put here the shop name. I think I am putting example shop, example fruit shop center. Okay, and another I am putting the address, so I am putting the address in Bhojpur, Nepal. Another I am putting the bill of cash receipt. Okay, cash receipt. So from here now I'll start to make the structure. First of all, I'll put serial number SN, and another is product ID, another is product name, another is rate, another is quantity, expiry date, and sorry, just wait for a moment. So I'll put amount and remarks. Okay, and from here I'll increase the column width, and I'll make all the things bold from here, and I'll increase the size from 11. I'll make it 20. This one I'll make 15. Okay, and from here I'll start to put some data. Okay, first of all I'll put 1 and 2 only, and I'll select both, and from the corner I'll start to increment. Okay, first of all, product ID I'll start to put P1011, P1012. After this I'll increment from the corner like this. Okay, and okay, just wait for a moment, and I'll increase the column width, and I'll start to put product name. First of all, I'll put apple, mango, orange, papaya, coconut, peanut, banana, radish, carrot, pumpkin, like this. And for the rate, I'll start to add some rate. I think this one is 250, this one is 140, this one is 120, 120, and this one is 150, it's 130, 180, 190, 230, and 150. Okay, so for the quantity I'll start to put some quantity. First of all, 2, 5, 3, 1, 4, 7, 8, 5, 4, 1. Okay, so for the amount I'll start to use one formula. The formula is rate into quantity. So first of all, we need to put each call to, right? So for the rate, we need to click here, rate into quantity. Okay, enter. So from the corner I'll increment like this. It means if you buy 2 kg of apple, which per unit price is 250. So if you buy 2 kg apple, then you have to pay 500, right? Okay, for the remarks I'll put nothing. Just wait. I think I need to put your expiry date. Here I'll put remark. Okay, remark. Okay, I think expiry date is not good. for this, so that's why I'm putting only remark. So in the last I'll make it total, and here I'll start here I'll put a formula. So first of all I need to put it's equal to, then I'll put sum bracket open, and we need to select all those numbers to add. So I am selecting from here to the last, okay, and I'll close the bracket and I'll put enter, okay, and here I'll merge in center here, and I'll put here amount in quotes, okay. So this one should be merge in center, and here I'll put 6,650 only, like this, okay. And okay, just put here. So I'm putting here first of all more this one, first wait for a minute, I'll write here cash receipt, and here I'll put customer name, okay. Just insert to rows, customer name, model center, and here I'll put customer phone number, like this, and I'll make it align left, okay. Okay, this one should be align right. Okay, now we need to start to put some interesting color here. So first of all I'll put yellow color, okay, and I'll put for this one this color, for this one I'll put this color, and for this and this I'll put nothing, and for this one I'll put something, and I think I need to put here I need to put here green color, and for this one also I think I need to put some interesting color, okay. So from here I'll start to put another color like this, and for this one also, and just wait for a moment. Like this, we need to select by pressing Ctrl button. Don't forget to press the Ctrl button, okay. So I'll change the color from here. I think I need to make this color, and for the total I am making this color, okay. For this also I'll make bold. First of all I'll increase the font size, okay, and for this one I will change the color also. I think I should to make this one, yeah, like this, okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, I'll don't forget to subscribe me, and I'm providing this template in free of cost. If you want to download and if you want to use this template, then I'll provide you in free of cost. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.